one repo with a simple HTML file and I want to deploy this somewhere. So what I do is I go to the normal GitHub repo, I go to settings, and in settings there is a pages option. If you click on that, there is an option to deploy to a page. So here you select deploy from a branch and select the branch, which either is going to be master or main, which is the branch you usually use, and the root will and the directory will be like the root at which your index HTML file is. So for me it's at the top of the directory, so it's going to be root. If you had something like assets or resources or CSS, that would be the place to go. So this is the place that GitHub will look for index.html. By default it will be / and that should ideally work if you have index.html there. And if you click on save, it will start the deployment, as it says that it will get deployed on your username.github.io. so here I'm using a temporary username which says this, but ideally you will have your username here, and it will get deployed at this page. So let me copy that. In order to go check what is the status, I can go back to my repo, and here now there is a yellow dot that appears, which gives you the status of how it is, how the build is going. So once this completes, it can take up to 30 seconds, I guess. Okay, it seems to be done. So if you go back to settings and you go to pages, it should now say that it is deployed here. So you just copy that, go to this, and you have to type the name of the repo. So here I'm using a red sky, and there it should show up whatever HTML you had written over there. If you make a change to this, for example, that should automatically get uploaded. So I'm changing from welcome to the matrix, I just want to change it to welcome to the world. So I'm committing it, commit to the main branch, and if I go back to my repo, it should trigger another deployment. So this is again queued up. Once these steps have finished, if I reload my page, it should, instead of saying welcome to the matrix, it will say welcome to the world. So let's just wait for that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's give it a minute. Okay, I'll just open up an incognito window. Oh, did not work. What is happening? Oh, it's still not complete. The third step is not complete. Okay, now it's complete. Okay, there you go. Welcome to the world. If you refresh this, it should also show up. Yep, that's about it.